Welcome back everyone. Ever wanted to play Roblox on your Android phone but didn't know where to begin? Don't worry, you are in the right place. In this quick beginner friendly tutorial, I walk you through every step to install Roblox safely so you can jump into your favorite games without any hassle or confusion. So let's jump right in. First, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, look at the bottom here. You can tap on the search bar or top menu bar search bar. Once you in the search menu, type Roblox. After that, search it. From the search result appear, select the official Roblox app to open it. After that, hit the install button and wait to complete the process. After the install is complete, you can easily open the game and play it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide made things easier. Subscribe for more simple Android tutorials and I will see you soon.